Hello everybody. Now today we're going to learn the soprano part for the song that we're working on, Waka Waka. As the piece is in this key of C, we're going to start on these notes, C and E. And the rhythm for the soprano part is this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And these are the notes that you play. C and E, followed by B and D, A, C, and then you end with F, A. So, same thing on B and D, same thing on A, C, same thing on F and A. You might have noticed that as I was playing the soprano part, I stopped briefly on F and A. Now this part comes in where the piccolo plays this part here. That part there, the whole ensemble stops briefly and then comes back in. So I'm going to play that, I'm going to combine the piccolo part and my tenor part stopping there. Right. So without the piccolo part, the soprano part is playing this. And then back to the beginning. Right. So basically that's the whole soprano part. So what is left is just the ending. Now the ending part is the same as the piccolo part. You're going to go to C and C octaves. You're going to go 1, 2, and then G, and then A, 1, 2, and then F, 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 G, G, C, 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 G, 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 A, 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 and then F, 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 G, G, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and end. Right, thank you. I hope you enjoy learning the soprano part. Thank you for watching this episode. Please click on the link to our website, or you can watch some of our other videos here. If you enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. This is going to help us to create more awareness and to share skills.